Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to upload videos from Camtasia to YouTube directly. Launch Camtasia and open the project you want to upload to YouTube. And here you can see I already imported a video which I want to upload in YouTube. To do that, click on this export button. From the options, select YouTube. And here you can see it says not sign in. So for logged in, click on sign in. You will be prompted to sign in to your YouTube account. Select your YouTube account and click on allow. And here you signed in YouTube in Camtasia. Now you can add a title, description and text for your video. Choose the privacy settings, public, unlisted or private. Now click on the export button to start the export and upload process. Camtasia will export your video and upload it directly to your YouTube channel. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.